Hi, today I'm starting to profound the Conn2Flow project. I'm talking about the starter pillar. This is a part of Conn2Flow project. Start using AI in collaboration with their ideas and how this new technology can solve the common problems from their jobs, their professional, their company, anyway. After that, I will start to stop to talk the talk and start walk the walk, talking about where I went until today in the project, what type of solutions I've made, show how people can use a lot of techniques to connect to the flow, start to show their ideas, develop their ideas in pair with AI. I think we have a lot of great solutions nowadays, and the people can start to use it, not profound itself inside the Conn2Flow, that we have three pillars, and we will profound these ideas in the passing of the time. But I think this is a nice start to people to use what exists today, to start to gain money using this AI, and start to understand how they can solve their problems. Use AI in pair in the collaboration human and AI. I will dip the idea around the Conn2Flow project in this first pillar that I named the starter pillar. This pillar is intended to give to people some ready solutions to people develop their ideas, to deliver their products, to improve their solutions, their values, anyway, any type of thing people want to extend it with the other people. So is it, go look it as a bird eye and dive inside this new concept of Conn2Flow Start pillar. I make this react-mapdraw-navigator using a React, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS for styling. I use it as a type of mapping to show the ideas from now and the next videos. I use it a lot. This was made using AI and in collaboration, and I think it's a nice example to show people how it's so easy today make solutions with AI in pair with their ideas, what they want to solve, what they want to deliver, what they want to create by the scratch. So I think this is a good opportunity to people understand how this works. This is some types of options we have to full window, to full screen, using all the monitor area, to reset view, to zoom out, zoom in. You can use the wheel from the mouse, middle wheel from the mouse to do this type of zoom, and you can drag it by click the mouse and move the mouse. This option can be made the same in the mobile using the fingers, and here you can see this adapt from the screen. For example, I leave the window so you see. So this is a responsive example. Here we can show exactly what is it, this component, this button, and so easy, so simple. So this is the first window. When you start this component, here you have some admin options. Here we can change this brute image. So to start mapping another image, it's a type of layers when you can enter inside this layer to a lot of levels. It's similar, for example, HTML document where you have some links that you click and you go to another document. It's the same idea, but it is for image, by the way, for Diagrams, not so only image, but diagram. That's the first intention. Here I will have some the next videos. I will use one only to show exactly what is this, how I did, what type of things I did in profound way. And today is only a summary about it. So you use this react-mapdraw-navigator to show diagrams I made of 5 this start pillar of a Conn2Flow. So here's an example. We can store any type of image, SVG, PNG. You can store an image in a URL and put here. You click this change root image and select the whole this URL with another URL you want, and I put this link here. Clicking this new save new URL, and here this is the first the start pillar in Ponder Professional, and I start to talking about it with example and this is my roadmap. So what is this Conn2Flow Starter? Conn2Flow Starter is how can I say, this ecosystem to empower all types of professionals that they want to use this new technology in the AI age to improve their business, improve their career, for not only sell products, services, or ideas, but to show what they want, what exactly they want to use to exchange with people, and a type of idea to people using AI and deliver their ideas to the people to monetize if they want to, or only to show their abilities, for example, to make some portfolio as a professional. So this a target is for any type of a professional or business. When I thinking about it, I think that is an idea today that is a pain for everybody, as I said in the previous video. People today not exactly know what they can do to solve their problems using AI. So this is not only for dev people, for TI people, but for a general people, business, small business, professional, entrepreneurs. Anyway, any type of profession that want to use, how can I say, a strategy to deliver their solutions. For example, what the first thing in the next video, I will talk a little about it. People need today to connect to the social networks. This is not how can I say, an option. People need to understand that today social networks is the only way. You have the old way to show to people your products, your services, your ideas, but it is much more efficient. People using social media like Facebook, like Instagram, like TikTok, and another others. We have a lot of today, YouTube, Rambo. These are such nice options today to people interact with each other, and the people need to understand that they need to connect. People thinking about, I don't connect to this guy because this is not a great guy, or anyway. No, you need to understand that today the social media have a lot of options to people using AI solutions to increase the connections from people that have same ideas, same behaviors. So it's important to use the techniques today to do it using organic way. And if people want pay way to connect to people, we have a solution. For example, campaigns, ads campaigns is a nice way to gain much more connections inside the companies. inside the social networks. But not only it, we have some tricks we can use. So I will talk about it in the next video. This is the first in practice video I will talk about. After that, I will talk about a little about how people use AI as assistant, how you make your AI environment to start to deliver your solution, to start to show people what you have that is reliable, what value you can exchange with people. And you have a lot of solutions today use AI environment, AI assistant to do it, to improve your profession, to improve your career, to improve your company if you have, if you are an entrepreneur or you are a guy that wants to be hired and you need to use these solutions to improve it. Another thing that I will talk about is how type of tools we have today. We have a lot of open source solutions, for example, to editing videos. You have Blender, you have Inkscape to make some vectors, draw things. You have a lot of tools. So I will present the type of tools I used, for example, to do this presentation, but in a easy way to people make their own solutions. So that you use this one video to show people with. One of the matters about this start pillar is a sequence. I'll talk about Human+AI strategy for consulting, because we have a lot of solutions today, but people don't know how to use it. So I have one idea to extend with people using AI strategy consultant to people use their experience in their field. For example, I am from the dev field. I use my experience. I will show to you some ways to talk to people and use AI to show here you can solve your solution using these techniques, impaired human and AI. And this is such a nice way to show to the people. Enter more deep inside the starter, you use a type of landing page model, but not only landing page it will be used by me, but everybody can use another type of solutions to gain their clients from the social networks and use AI in Foundry, use this Human+AI strategy consulting, but you need to get these people that want to this thing. And this is a type of OS template operation system that I will deliver for people in a free way, for people can replicate. I have my GitHub, and I will make one project so people can clone this and make their own solution, their own landing page, only exchanging the values, the text, the image, etc. I will using for when I talking about the creation, content creation tools. I will talk about how the people can change this landing page OS. In this last phase, when people have their own local to show their product, to show their service, that I was talking about it with one video, show them in practice what they can do, what they can show, and after you need to measure. Some people didn't understand that you need to measure who are our clients, what they want, where they are from, and you need to use market skills to do it. I will prepare the whole pipeline from the connect to social media, make ads campaigns, and prepare the people to make their own landing page model, and after that monitor it using digital market techniques. For example, you can use the Google Tag Manager to track exactly what's going on inside your landing page, mapping events, and send this data to the the reporters like Google Analytics 4, Metapixel, TikTok ads, and they use this data to understand what the behavior their clients have inside their landing page, their locals. I will make a pipeline. Firstly, we will connect people to social network, how they use it to improve their view inside the web, and use AI assistant to assist exactly what they need to do, using content creation tools to improve their ideas, to make their content more, how can I say, reliable and more easy to people to understand their ideas. After, we will make these landing page models that will receive the clients from this chain, using Human+AI Strategy Consulting as a type of a product to sell, but not only it. This is a thing people want to do, but you need to show their product as well, their service as well. So this is the whole pipeline. Start from social network, use AI to improve their ideas, use the content creation tools to make their ideas much more reliable, use this strategy to AI, Human+AI Strategy Consultant, and inside this landing page that they can show their products, their services, use this idea to Human and AI Strategy Consulting, and in the final stage you can monitor it as a whole pipeline to people to start any type of professional in business, start to empower all professionals till they start to make money. So this is the core idea I thought about the start pillar, and I will put all it in practice in the next videos to everybody understand how can use the social networks, AI assistant, content creation tools, and landing page model, use a type of OS template to monetize in this new AI era using marketing skills to do it. Thank you everybody, and we'll talk in the next video. Bye bye.